Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So this is the design that I created on my nails this week. I have some new acrylic powders to use. So I am applying a set of tips to my natural nails. I have pushed back my cuticles and buffed my natural nail. I'm just applying some dehydrator and my primer. So I've got wool and I've got Starlight. These are the two new acrylic powders and they are really cute colours. I think they're perfect for autumn. So in the shade Wool, I'm applying this to my nail here. I'm starting at the cuticle area and I'm just popping that down the nail. So I just thought I'd focus mainly on showing you this colour here on this nail on my thumb. So just covering my nail with wool here. The brush I'm using is a number 8 brush from Miss You Beauty. So with my forefinger then I decided to go with Starlight and I am just covering the entire nail. This is absolutely gorgeous, absolutely full of glitter. I do apologise, for one, my camera is a little bit wobbly. It's because it's on my desk and my desk is a little bit wobbly. So I am aware that I need to sort that out. So I do apologise for that. And secondly, the lighting is shockingly bad. It's not picking up properly. So I do apologise for that. But the colours of these acrylic powders are absolutely amazing. Especially that glitter one, Starlight. It is beautiful. So then with my middle finger, I'm just popping down wool over my nail and then I'm going to apply Starlight to the cuticle area and I'm going to drag that down the nail. In hindsight, I should have just only gone halfway up the nail with the acrylic powder in the shade Wool and covered the rest with Starlight, but never mind, you live and learn. And I didn't really know where I was going with the design of this one. So anyways, that's what I did. So it's just an ombre fashion, my favourite style of nail. Just popping down a little bit more of wool at the tip of the nail here and I'm just dragging it up, making sure that you can see both acrylic powders because they both need appreciating. So in my foot with my ring finger, I'm just covering that in the shade Starlight. Like I said, you can't pick up the glitter as well on this screen here, but it really is absolutely packed full of glitter. It's beautiful. Really one of my favourites this is. I love it. So these acrylic powders are on the website at the moment. You can get them for £6.99 plus VAT. And also don't forget about my discount code Beautified10, which gets you all a discount on your order. So don't forget to take advantage of that, guys. So on my little finger, I just covered it in the shade Wool, and I just really like the colour. I think they're just really good for this time of year, perfect for autumn, beautiful. So then once I have applied acrylic powder to all of these nails, I then go ahead and I encapsulate all of them with my clear acrylic powder. And now I'm just filing off any excess acrylic here, just going around the cuticle area just to make sure it's lovely and flush with the cuticle. And then I'm just going to smooth it off, make sure it's lovely and smooth, ready for my top coat application. So the top coat that I'm using is Miss You Beauty's non-wipe UV gel top coat, and I apply that to all of my nails and then I cure it in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. As always, this is my favourite part of the video because you can really see the glitter and the colours really shine through. I absolutely love this bit. It's my favourite. So I will leave you links to all the items that I used in the description box below, guys, along with my discount code for you all to take advantage of. And I will leave you pictures as well. Excuse the traffic going by my window. It's making it really difficult today. It's not a good day for voiceovers, so I do apologise. So thank you so much for watching my video, guys, this week. Thanks for bearing with the wobbly camera and etc. I do appreciate it. If you enjoyed my video, please give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook and TikTok. So, thanks for watching. Take care, guys.